Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another episode of Login Helps, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to create a Tinder account. So Tinder is a place built on a world of possibility. The possibility of forming connections that could lead to more. If you are here to meet new people, expand your social network, meet locals when you are traveling, or just live in the now, you have come to the right place. Tinder is simple and fun. Use the swipe right feature to like someone, and if someone likes you back, it's a match. So it's a very interesting guide, so get ready to enter the world of endless possibilities. To enter in the world of this endless possibilities, you have to have its account first. So to learn how to create its account, keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to create Tinder account, first of all tap on Tinder application. After you're done tapping on the Tinder application, you will be provided with three different options, that is login with Google, login with Facebook, and login with phone number. I have already created a video on login with phone number, so today I will be guiding you through how to log in Tinder with Google account. So go ahead and tap on the first option, that is login with Google. Now, since it's related to your Google account, you have to select your Google account first. So go ahead and select your Google account. After you're done selecting your Google account, it will welcome you to the Tinder, and it will also say to please follow these house rules. So these are the house rules which says be yourself, stay safe, play it cool, and be protected. That's cool. Now if you read all of this, tap on I agree. Now it will ask you for your first name, so go ahead and tap on your first name. So if you're done tapping on your first name, go ahead and tap on continue. Now it will ask you for your birth date, so go ahead and tap on your birth date. So guys, after you're done tapping on your birthday, go ahead and tap on continue. Now it will ask you for your gender, so go ahead and tap on your gender. I'll tap on women, and you can also check the box of show my gender on my profile as per your preference. So after you're done doing all this, tap on continue. Now it will ask you for your sexual orientation, so go ahead and tap on your sexual orientation. I'm gonna go tap on straight, and again you can also check on the boxes so my orientation on my profile as per your preference. So after you're done tapping on your sexual orientation, go ahead and tap on continue. Now it will ask you to show yourself as women, men, or everyone. So go ahead and tap on any of this and tap on continue. Now it will ask you for your university or a school name, so go ahead and tap on your university or school name. After you're done tapping on your university name, go ahead and tap on continue. Now it will ask you to select your passions. So about the limit, it asks about 1 to 5. So go ahead and tap on your passions. You have to select 5 of these, neither more nor less. So I am selecting 5 of my passions. Firstly, I selected dance, so I also selected travel, movies, reading, fashion. It's interesting. So I've already selected 5 out of 5, so I've already met my limit. So if you have also selected 5 of your passions, go ahead and tap on continue. Now it will ask you to add your photos here. It says that add at least 2 photos to continue. So go ahead and add on 2 of your photos. If you're done selecting 2 of your photos, go ahead and tap on continue. Now you will be provided with this interface on your screen. It says want to avoid someone you know on Tinder. So since Tinder is a dating application, you might want to avoid someone you know on Tinder. So go ahead and tap on continue. It's done, guys. You have already created your Tinder account. So this is how you can easily create your Tinder account and you can enjoy all the facilities that Tinder provides. So I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.